To add an international plan to your Xfinity Mobile account, the process is simple. First, log into the Xfinity app or website. Navigate to the Plans section and select International Add-ons. Here, you can choose a destination-specific or global package that best fits your needs. Options include World Calling for unlimited calls to 70-plus countries at $5 per month, or regional data plans like the Europe Pass for $40 a month, giving you 20 gigabytes of data across 30 countries. Confirm your payment to instantly activate the plan. Remember to enable data roaming in your device settings to avoid unexpected charges. Using the Xfinity Mobile app allows real-time data tracking, so you always know how much data you've used. Xfinity Mobile's international plans use roaming add-ons. For calls, Wi-Fi calling reduces costs when available. Otherwise, Voice over LTE ensures clear call quality. International data usage is prioritized through the roaming add-on. For example, the Xfinity Global Flex plan offers pay-per-gigabyte data starting at $10 per GB. Data speeds depend on the local network, with 4G, 5G being standard in most supported areas. Be aware of fair usage policies that may deprioritize data after exceeding 22 gigabytes per day during peak times. Transparent billing with alerts via the app helps you stay within your limits. Bundling Xfinity Mobile with other Xfinity services like Internet can offer discounted international data.